For question 51, we are directed to use integration by parts. So I always remember the I late. So the first thing that we need to take care of is inverse trig functions, which we don't have. Then the second thing is logs. So u is going to be the natural log of x squared minus x plus 2, and then dv is going to be what remains, which is just dx. Okay, so then we need du, which is going to be 1 over the thing, x squared minus x plus 2, but then we have to use the chain rule. So I'm going to multiply that by 2x minus 1. I'm just going to stick that right on the top. 2x minus 1 dx. And then v is just going to be x. Okay, so using integration by parts, we need u times v. So x times ln, x squared minus x plus 2, minus the antiderivative of v du, So we're going to have 2x squared minus x all over x squared minus x plus 2 dx, right? U times v minus v du. So that's 2x times x minus x. All right, so now we need to tackle this. And one thing I'm going to notice is that this is an improper fraction because the top is at least as big as the bottom. So I'm going to do a little long division. So I'm dividing x squared minus x plus 2 into the top, 2x squared minus x plus 0. What do I multiply x squared by to get 2x squared? Well, that's just a 2. And 2 times this whole thing is 2x squared minus 2x plus 4. Then I need to subtract 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0. Negative x minus negative 2x becomes negative x plus 2x, so that's x. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. So this is now going to become 2 plus x minus 4 over x squared minus x plus 2 dx. And I'm going to do this bit by bit. I know when I take the antiderivative of this part, it's just going to be 2x. So I'm going to have x ln x squared minus x plus 2 plus 2x. And now I need to worry about this. X minus 4 over x squared minus x plus 2 dx. And because I can, I'm going to do this on a separate sheet of paper. So I'm really looking for the antiderivative of x minus 4 over, and I can factor the bottom, x minus 2, x plus 1 dx. Okay, so this is my problem. I'm going to try to rewrite this as two separate fractions equals x minus 4 over x minus 2, x plus 1. And then if I was going to find the least common denominator, I'd have a times x plus 1 plus b times x minus 2 equals x minus 4. I'm going to substitute a few values in for x. First, I'm going to let x be equal to negative 1. So that gives me 0. I end up with negative 3b is equal to negative 5. So b is going to be 5/3. And if I let x be equal to positive 2, I get 3a plus 0b is equal to negative 2. So a is negative 2/3. So then we're going to have the antiderivative of negative 2/3, 1 over x minus 2, plus 5/3, antiderivative of 1 over x plus 1, which everyone knows is negative 2/3 natural log of x minus 2, plus 5/3 natural log of x plus 1. So our final antiderivative is minus x plus 2 plus 2x minus 2/3 ln x minus 2 plus 5/3 ln x plus 1.